Welcome back everyone. Today we're installing gray water tank and we have this 45-liter one. I'm going to make 3 attachments to it. Firstly, install this pipe which is going to connect the kitchen faucet like this. It can extend up to 1 meter 50 centimeters. It will go through the floor and I will be left with this 40 millimeter connection which will go inside, and then I can easily connect the sewage system. Secondly, I'm going to connect the switch to empty the tank. I found also the plastic one. It will go inside the tank and it will be connected basically like this. I've got a bit bulkier one. Just wanted to have an option to empty the tank a bit faster. Lastly, I've got the small one for the breather tube. It will be connected through this ring and then I will just install the tube. After I have all of those components ready, I will show how I attach the water tank underneath the car. It will be easier over there. Good morning. We have this bit from yesterday and you can check all of the layers from our floor, and I'm very happy with this bit, especially the spray foam. You can check how we did it from our previous videos. And we have the tank itself. As I explained, the drainage connection is ready, and the breather tube for better water flow in general, and to emptying the bank we have all of those ready. We are just left with one thing, is to create the aluminum brackets to hold the tank itself, and I created another strategy, just double secure it with a belt. This is my workstation and this is how Vicky leaves it. So this belt will be secured on the tank. It says it can hold up to 1 ton, but I hope it will hold 40 kilos. And I'm planning to create 2 aluminum bended holdings in the front and in the back. And I will try to use original car fuel tank bolts. This is how many safety measures I took. Even the leftover carpet is used for the cause. Vicky will try to add 1 beam just to hold the tank and not wobble. This is the lightest weather-resistant option we will use. And I'm going to install this bit just to support like those 2 beams and have more stability. I'll try to manage the other bit, which will be aluminum. We had 5 attempts with aluminum brackets, and for the first one I was just learning the technique of bending, measuring small pieces, and in the next 4 I just did pretty much the same, but I chose 2 best ones. They look like this. Pretty interesting looking things, but they will do the job. And for the bolts, it's M10 bolt. It's the same one which will hold the fuel tank in the one end, and in the other end is M6 bolt. And I knew that I will do the riv nuts because we have the tool and we know how to use them. We got it from the wall installation video, if you want to check it. And it is 3mm thick aluminum. So it's pretty strong and it's supposed to withstand way more than 45 kilograms. But it's better to be sure. I think even the belts would withstand the weight. So let's go to install the riv nuts. If you are planning to buy this riv nut tool, I would recommend to buy this a little bit bigger one, which could do this movement, not just with the hands. I believe it's a bit stronger and it requires less power. Okay, first 2 ready. For the 6mm riv nut, you would need 9mm drill. After all day constructing the holding mechanism, we need to remove the bolt from the fuel tank. Just a tip for you guys, remove one by one. Don't remove all of them because it will be easier to work like that. Only it could fit over and this bracket will go over here to this bolt, if you can see clear. If we would wait for the perfect conditions to appear, I think we would never build our van completely, because there's always luxury of a million different tools and garages and etc. Unless you are building vans for a living. And maybe tomorrow, if I will be paranoid about it, I will also make some kind of angle over here, so it would not go forward and backwards, even though this one is holding from this position, but maybe I will do it an extra. Let's go to rest for today, and tomorrow we are going to connect last stuff and we can do the test. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, so we are done with the gray water tank. It looks like this from underneath the car. We have two securing options, the aluminum and the belt. Looks pretty stiff, and that's how it looks from another side. We already drove with the car, so it can withstand it. And the stream looks like this. The tank is not full, so I cannot showcase the full power of emptying the tank. I just have one more issue, guys, with the water flow. From the last video, I thought that accumulator tank will save the day, but it just did save the constant stream of water. So I can have stream like this, but it's still flickering. The LED lights, I'm not sure if you can see, but there's this very little flickering and it's very annoying. But when I turn on the tap on a full power, it's all good. Nothing is happening. Maybe someone of you know what's the issue. I have this system and I'm very happy with the water flow in general. Just the electricity compartment is lacking somewhere. This is the water pump. It's pretty strong, but on a full power it's doing nothing. I tried the thicker cables. I tried to connecting straight to the links distributor and it still didn't help. So please tell me in comments if you know the solution, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next diesel heater installation video.